It's midnight. You've got 6 terminal tabs open, cold coffee, and one Claude session slowly chewing through a refactor while your weekend evaporates. Here's the fix hiding in Claude Code: sub-agents. Think of them as a small crew of specialist interns you can spawn on demand. The lead agent hands off a task, say, audit the test suite, to a specialist who works in a separate room with its own clean context window. Now watch parallelism happen for real. 3 sub-agents tackle docs, tests, and the bug fix at the same time while you walk the dog. Each one returns with a sealed envelope of results, stacked neatly on the lead agent's desk. When a sub-agent hits a wall, it escalates. The lead agent grabs the baton, redirects, or spawns a different specialist mid-race. You define these specialists by writing a little markdown file in .claude/agents, basically a job description pinned to a corkboard. But this crew isn't free. Every helper burns tokens, and the meter ticks up fast if you let lazy interns linger. So the lead agent plays manager, dismissing redundant helpers and keeping the budget sane. You stay the bottleneck for judgment, not typing. You review the pull request the crew prepared and stamp it approved or rejected. And here's the payoff. Laptop closes at 6. You walk outside while the crew keeps working and queues results for morning review.